Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.1 GLC250d AMG Line G-Tronic 4MATIC, finished in white with a premium black leather interior. At the front, the GLC showcases a bold grille with chrome accents, AMG styling cues, and sharp LED lighting for a commanding road presence. At the side, this SUV rides on striking 20-inch alloy wheels, with roof rails, fixed side runner boards, and black exterior styling that adds a touch of sportiness to its elegant profile. At the rear, you'll find a clean and modern finish, with LED tail lights, parking sensors, a reverse camera, and an electric-powered tailgate for easy loading. Powered by a responsive 2.1-liter diesel engine, the GLC250d delivers smooth power and excellent efficiency. With G-Tronic automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, it handles confidently in all weather and road conditions. Cruise control ensures relaxed driving on long journeys. Stepping inside, the cabin offers a refined and comfortable space. You get heated front seats, dark wood interior trims, and high-quality materials throughout, designed with a true premium feel. In terms of tech, the GLC is well equipped with navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and an intuitive infotainment system. Keyless start, electric folding mirrors, and multiple drive modes add to its versatility and ease of use. In the back, the rear seats provide great legroom and comfort, making this SUV perfect for family life or executive travel. In the boot, there's a wide, practical load area that's easy to access with the powered tailgate, ideal for everyday use or weekend getaways. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration N A17BYN to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.